Large language models can only be successful if the data they have been trained on is accurate and of highest quality. There can be a lot of errors in data labeling if you outsource it or crowdsource it, and it becomes very hard for humans or even the LLMs to guess if the data is correct or not. This is where this Clean Lab comes to rescue. The Clean Lab package is an open source framework popular for practicing data-centric AI today. It allows you to run data quality algorithms on your trained machine learning models, outputs to detect common dataset issues like label errors, outliers, drift, and much more. With just few lines of code embedded in your own code, you can automatically find and identify problems in various types of data such as image, text, tabular, and audio. By using the Cleanlab package, which you can just install with pip install Cleanlab, you can decide how to improve your dataset and model, retrain your ML model, and see its performance improve without any changes to your existing code. If you're looking for more cleaner and with a GUI and more bells and whistles, go with Cleanlab Studio, which is already being used by hundreds of companies out there. Cleanlab Studio is an extension of the Cleanlab package. It's a no-code platform designed to find and fix problems in real-world datasets. It doesn't just stop at detecting issues but goes further in handling data curation and correction and even automates almost all the hard parts of turning raw data into reliable machine learning or analytics. Let me show you a couple of examples of this Clean Lab package. If I go first to the open source one, and I will drop the link in video's description. If you just scroll down, you can see this is the image data set where Clean Lab has accurately guessed that this first image and this second image from second row is near duplicate. And if you see the second image from the second row, this has been labeled wrong, which Clean Lab has detected. If I take you to this data sets from CleanLab, labelerrors.com, I have already selected this Amazon dataset. In this dataset, Amazon wrongly labeled it the tone of this article as neutral, whereas CleanLab's guess was positive, and so was the guess of Mechanical Turk, likely from the crowdsourcing. And similarly, there are a lot of other examples where the dataset provider has labeled it wrong, whereas CleanLab was able to guess it correctly and label it correctly. If I select any other dataset like ImageNet, you can see in this one, ImageNet has wrongly labeled this image as salmon, whereas CleanLab's guess was baboon, and so was the guess of Mechanical Turk. And there are a lot of other examples which you can go in and check. Now, if let me show you an example demo from the Cleanlab Studio. So this is from their website. Here you can not only select what the data set was, randomness, and also the auto fix top issues. Let me play it again. So this is edit mode. It is checking the data set. It is suggesting some of the improvements. We selected the 99% one, and then there is also an option of auto fix top issues. So this is how this works. So really cool stuff. If you're looking for an AI-centric data set which is clean and of highest quality, and you want to make sure whatever is going into your LLMs is of highest quality, then I believe this Clean Lab is a great tool. If you like the content, please consider subscribing to the channel. Thank you.